Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. There is no direct system to lock apps on your iPhone, but if you adopt a small tricks, then you can easily lock any apps on your iPhone through Touch ID or Face ID. Let's see how we can lock any apps on our iPhone through Touch ID or Face ID. First, go to the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. The shortcut app is by default on your iPhone. If you don't have the app on your iPhone, then go to the App Store and install the app. After opening Shortcuts app, click on Automation below. Next, click New Automation. Next screen, we will see many options. Scroll little bit down and find App. Click on App. Ensure is opened is checked. Change Run after confirmation to Run immediately. And ensure Notify when Run is disabled. Next, tap Choose next to App to select the apps you want to lock. Click Done in the upper right corner of your screen. Hit Next. Tap on New Blank Automation. Tap on Add Action. Tap on Add Action. Click on the search bar and type Lock Screen. L-O-C-K Lock Screen. S-C-R-E-E-N Lock Screen. Click on Lock Screen. Next, click Done. Selected apps are locked. Let's check. So if you follow these tricks in the shortcuts, you can easily lock any apps on your iPhone. Note, these tricks only works for iOS 17. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.